in spring break. Best day ever. I got oxtails.
What you know about oxtails?
I don't know. I grew up with them.
You grew up on them?
With oxtails.
Boy,
like
bye.
Lobster, steak, and that crab leg stuff, that old stuff.
Good. What's that?
Beef patty.
Beef patty.
My mom's brother was right here right now. He eat all this stuff.
That's because he from New York.
He is.
They know about beef patties and cocoa bread. Where your drink at?
Right here, a pineapple.
What you know about Doritos? That's cornbread.
Everything is hot, fresh.
Fresh. And where is this from again?